Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss graphs of trigonometric function. Okay. So, dear children, in the previous discussion, we have already learned all trigonometric function or periodic function. Okay. So, we also know sine. Okay, we also know sine, cosine, cos, sec, and cosec. Cosec are periodic function with period 2 pi. Okay, sine, cos, sec, and cosec are periodic function with period 2 pi. Whereas tan and cot is also a periodic function with period pi. Okay, we have discussed in the previous discussion sine, cos, sec, cosec is our periodic function with period 2 pi, but whereas tan and cot is periodic function with period pi. Okay, and we also know if a function fx, okay, if a function fx is periodic, with period 2 pi, if a function fx is periodic with period 2 pi, then ax plus b, okay, ax plus b is also a periodic with period 2 pi upon mod a. We have learned if fx is a periodic function with period 2 pi, then ax plus b is periodic function with period 2 pi upon a. Okay, so okay, here fx is a periodic function with period not 2 pi t. Suppose fx is a periodic function with period t, then ax plus b is also a periodic function with period t upon a. We have learned that. Okay, here fx is a periodic function with period t, then ax plus b is also a periodic function with period t upon a. So in this way we say that the sine ax plus b cos ax plus b sec ax plus b cosec ax plus b is, okay, sin ax plus b cos ax plus b sec ax plus b cosec ax plus b are periodic function with period 2 pi mod a. Okay, this is remembered that. And similarly tan ax plus b and cot ax plus b. Okay, tan ax plus b and cot ax plus b is periodic function with period pi mod a. Okay, this is remembered that. So okay, so in this way we also say that if any function tan 2x and tan 2x is a periodic function with period pi by 2. Okay, clear? So this is the concept of periodic function because we have used to draw the graph of trigonometric function. So first I am going to discuss the graph of sine function. Okay, graph of sine function. Graph of sine function. Graph of sine function. Graph of sine function. Okay, children. So we know that fx equal to sin x. Fx equal to sin x is a periodic function with period 2 pi. So in order to draw the graph of sin x, we take the value in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Okay, different value of the interval 0 to 2 pi, and we have to draw the graph of sin x by taking cylindrical scale on the xy plane. Okay, so in order to draw the graph of fx equal to sin x, okay, in the interval 0 to 0 comma 2 pi, we require the value of sin x at the sum point 0 and 2 pi. Okay, so we require some point in the interval suppose this is x and this is y. So we require some interval, some point in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so suppose this is a 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2, 0. This is y equal to sin x 0. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, and 1. Okay, and next also 2 pi by 3, 3 pi, 2 pi by 3, 3 pi, 3 pi by 4, 2 pi by 3, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 6 and pi, 5 pi by 6 and pi. So value of 2 pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, and 1 by 2, and this is 0. Next 7 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6, 5 pi by 5 pi by 4. Okay, 7 pi by 6 is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, right 4 pi by 3, this is 4 pi by 3, 3 pi by 2. Okay, 5 pi by 3 is minus, this is minus 1 upon under root 2, and minus 3 by 2. Okay, next is minus 1, minus 1. Okay, and next is 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 3, 5 pi by 3, 7 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, 11 pi by 6 and 2 pi and 2 pi. Okay, so this is minus 1 minus 3 by 2 minus under 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 and 0 and 2 pi is 0. Okay, so in order to draw the graph of this point, we take a suitable scale on xy plane and to plot the point. Okay, so this is x, this is x dash, y dash. So this is a pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, and this is a minus pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, negative 3 pi by 2 and minus 2 pi. Suppose this is a 1 and this is a minus 1. Okay, so here the value of sin 0 is 0, and as we also know the value of sine function in first quadrant increases from 0 to 1 and decreases from 1 to 0. So first increases from 0 to 1. So at pi by 2 the maximum value is 1. So we have to increases to 1, and in second quadrant decreases 1 to 0. So we have decreases 1 to 0, and we also draw with the help of this point. In the third quadrant decrease from 0 to minus 1. Okay, 0 to minus 1. So at 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, the value is minus 1. So we have decreases 2 minus 1. In fourth quadrant increases from minus 1 to 0. Okay. And again after 2 pi the graph will be same. Again increases from 0 to 1 and decreases from 1 to 0. Again decreases from 0 to minus 1 and increases from minus 1 to 0. Okay, so after interval 2 pi the graph of the sine function will be same. Okay, so the graph of interval 0 to 2 pi and minus 2 pi 0 will be same. Okay, so we have draw, this will be the same. Okay children, so this is the graph of fx equal to sin x function. Okay, and its period we can see also 2 pi. After 2 pi the graph will be the same as, and on negative angle this is also same. So this is the graph of sine function in the interval 0 to 2 pi and minus 2 pi to 0. Okay.